Okay, here's my pros and cons video of our kitchen. We just moved into it a month ago. So yeah, we'll start with the negatives. Our fridge is terrible.
Yeah, and also I'm gonna be popping up during the video.
Your mileage may vary, but we hate the side-by-side fridges.
Yeah, we don't like side-by-side fridges, but that's our deal. We wish that the counter was built out more so it was wider, so it's flush with the fridge. My mom designed 2 separate kitchens and she did that and it was amazing. And then also when you have stuff on the counter, you have space in front of it so I could put a plate on or whatever. So I have working space even though there's stuff on my counter. Combo microwave is a negative. They have a built-in microwave here, which is fine, it's a fan, whatever. But we love our commercial grade microwave, so this is just a hood fan to us.
It could be more storage. If you had just a hood fan, it could be lower, and you could have lower.
Exactly. And me, short, would be able to reach better for cabinets. And
Yeah.
whatever. Let's see. Garbage does not pull out. We would like the garbage to be able to be on a slidey thing to pull out. More drawers near the stove. Yes. We just like if there was a bank of drawers here maybe. Or if we moved our pantry, I don't know, but more drawers by the stove would be better. We do have limited pots and pans storage in here, but yeah, it is good enough for us, so I don't know, fine. Fridge cabinet flush, we did that. All pot lights on one switch, so this is specific to our kitchen, but we have multiple sets of pot lights and they are on really 3 separate switches. This one does these ones, this one does above the sink, and we do have another switch way over here that does these 3. And also, this switch is dumb here because the only time I would ever be here is if I'm coming through the deck area or whatever to turn the light on. I would much rather it be on the other side where I'm entering the kitchen to turn a light on. Let's see. Oh yeah, got the switch. Our dishwasher, Joe decided to put on that our buttons you pop with your body if you're up against the counter working or reaching for a
It's easy to
cabinet.
dial the buttons on the dishwasher.
Yeah. So we have it on child lock all the time. It's annoying to need to use the child lock. And our final negative is our Lazy Susan. The fact that the cabinet door moves because you can get your fingers caught in there. Like it's very easy to open that up and hit your
Our
fingers.
previous kitchen had a door going from here to here, and this Lazy Susan was a complete circle instead of like a Pac-Man shape. So you had a complete circle, more Lazy Susan space, but you also had a door here, so you couldn't pinch your fingers in
Right,
the Lazy
so we
Susan.
opened the door and then moved the Lazy Susan separately. Okay, now on to the pros. Just in general, we like the size of...
Hello.
We like the size of the kitchen. It's huge, it's giant, there's tons of counter space.
What is the size, Annette?
Oh, the size is 24 by 11.
Yep.
So it is huge.
But it's also a dual... It also serves as a dining room as well.
Yes. Oh, and that is one other thing. We think the dining area is slightly too small. It's fine for a family of 3, but as soon as we added more people, or if we wanted to open a leaf in this table, it's really tight, especially in here. But I also don't know that I'd want to lose all this counter space, so anyway, there's that. But yeah, lots of counter space, so I don't have to have appliances on the counters. I enjoy that.
Anything file cabinet right here.
Yes, Leonidas likes the filing
That's a
cabinet.
pro for him.
But this is a very big pro for him, this desk area, because he can do prep
That's
work,
really
chopping
good.
at his height. So it's
And
good
I've
for
also
kids.
almost reached that light switch.
Yep. Lots of plugs. Oh man, we have so many plugs, probably too many plugs, but that's okay. They don't bother me aesthetically. So we have a plug every, 3 feet?
It's probably whatever code is for
2.5 feet?
kitchens,
Yeah.
or modern kitchens may even have more.
So we have loads of plugs and lots of lighting.
And I also like this house.
Yeah, we have a pantry, so that's good. And our pantry is really nice. We
I
have,
like this house in general.
on one side shelving, and then on the other side it all pulls out. Every
Yeah.
shelf pulls out.
Every shelf comes out.
In the whole kitchen, every shelf comes out that's underneath the cabinets or underneath the countertops. So
Oh.
that is good.
Oh, shelf.
We do wish over here in this appliance area that these drawers weren't here and it was just either 2 giant drawers that you'd pull out, or this be gone and this shelf could be a bit higher, so you can have taller appliances. Like our popcorn maker doesn't fit.
Yeah, the crock pot barely fits, but you can't put the lid
Instapot,
on it.
or-
The Instapot doesn't
Doesn't
fit.
fit with the lid on it. Like we've made it work, but that's not ideal.
Yeah, if they were a little bit more height there, it'd be better.
Yeah, and this area in general is really good because we keep all of our go-to random appliances in it. Like, so that's really nice. We have just junk that you use in the kitchen.
Unitaskers.
Yeah, and then bowls and serving stuff. So it's all in one spot, so that's good. What else do we have? Pull-out drawers, wood floors. We enjoy wood floors. There's still
Engineered
easy to
hardwood.
clean. Yep, engineered hardwood.
There's a dog.
Unitaskers in one place. Got it. Oh, under our sink. So this little area, we have just a small cabinet, but it's perfect for storing your cleaning stuff. So it's not under the sink. So under the sink is relatively clean. And there's tile under it. They didn't do the best job with it, but if we do have a leak or whatever, it hopefully won't destroy the complete cabinetry.
Or if you spill something, your garbage can leaks or something.
Yeah, so that's nice.
Yeah, and everything has
Sink.
granite.
Oh yeah, our sink is giant. It's nice
Pull
and big
out.
here. And this other side sink we use as just a drying rack. When it's empty. Like
Yeah,
we
this
could
can
wash
pull out.
vegetables and stuff in it, which is nice.
2 sinks of mold.
Yes, Lena is like the 2 settings. But we do wish our soap dispenser was over here because we wash our dishes in the big sink because that's where we're going to use our pots and pans, whatever. Anything that doesn't fit in the dishwasher, we hand wash. So there's that. And we got it.
All right.
So that is our kitchen, what we like and what we don't.
Here's what
The list.
the list was. What Mom was holding.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and try to find me throughout the video.